often we just want to scam at the email and we say, yeah, let's have a look at quickly checking if there's something that's urgent, let me quickly respond. And even if it's not an urgent email, just that activity of checking your emails, it's switching on the task mode network where you actually need to reset and, take time with your family. And that's the second one, to be so deliberate with almost like thinking of your presence as a gift to the people around you and really focus on being present for them. And then there's three that links to things that I call common knowledge, but not necessarily common practice. And that's using the outdoors, being in nature. The nature is such a beautiful way to reset our bodies and our minds. And you don't even have to be away from home to go walk on the park if you have the luxury of being at the beach, go for those early morning walks on the beach, but also be mindful of your sleep wake cycle. Our bodies literally need 7 to 9 hours per night to rest and recharge and reset everything. So even during the holiday times, be mindful of that sleep wake cycle.